Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by trimming stems and removing damaged leaves so you work with healthy material. You should rinse briefly and shake off excess moisture. Once done, do not pack herbs tightly. Fill the keeper's reservoir to the indicated level, usually 0, 5 to 1 inch, and set the lid aside. Insert stems into the water chamber with the leafy portion above the rim. This initial positioning sustains stem hydration while keeping leaves from soaking and developing rot. Once herbs are placed, adjust the keeper's vent to balance humidity. Open slightly for tender herbs like basil, close more for hardy herbs like rosemary. You want steady airflow to prevent mold but maintain moisture at stems. Arrange herbs upright so air circulates. Make sure leaves are not pressed against sides. If you cut herbs beforehand, wrap loosely in a paper towel, then place in the keeper. Store in the refrigerator, unless the herb is temperature sensitive like basil, which prefers counter storage. To finish and maintain freshness, check water every 2 to 3 days and replace it. Once weekly, empty and wash the reservoir with mild soap to avoid biofilm. Trim 1/8 to 1/4 inch off stems when water looks cloudy to reopen vascular tissue and improve uptake. If you see mold or slimy leaves, remove the herbs immediately, sanitize the keeper thoroughly, and start again with fresh water and trimmed stems. A single sanitation step prevents cross-contamination and keeps herbs usable longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.